Ultrasonic waves can remove oil stains, rust spots, polishing wax, oxide scales, carbon deposits, cutting abrasives, dust, etc. It has a very wide range of applications, with fast cleaning speed and good cleaning effect. Two minutes later. Ultrasonic glue removal cleaning. Ultrasonic rust removal cleaning. Ultrasonic heavy oil dirts and grease removal cleaning. Engine block parts ultrasonic cleaning. Oil fume electric fields cleaning. Flange cleaning. Cleaning of debris from drilling and tapping. Motor rotor cleaning. Heavy oil stains cleaning.